Okay, how to rock in, rock out TR26, incomer TR4L and TR4M and bus coupler. So, rock out, you need to switch the key, push this one, then insert the lever. Once you insert, to connect, you go clockwise, disconnect, you go clockwise. When you go clockwise, you have to see that this indicator from disconnected will go to connected. Alright? Clear? After you finish, you remove this one and then off the switch. Here, if you notice, bus coupler is inserted and it's on. Therefore, even if you do like this, you cannot press this one. Why? You need to turn off first, before then you have to switch. That's the time that this will open and you can disconnect. You cannot disconnect while this one is on. Alright? Here, TR4M is also on. You cannot disconnect because it's on. You need to push off, and then on. That's the time you can disconnect. That is how to operate. Don't lose this key. This key is with TR4M. This key is for bus coupler. This key is for TR4L. And they are not interchangeable. They are not swappable. And if you lose one of them, you can never operate this circuit breaker anymore. Any question? Please refer to Ronaldo, Lionel, or Alan. Thank you very much. Good night.